What we're looking at here is the role of influencers online and how brands and consumers interact with each other. And we've got a great panel here together to talk about that.
So, when we did Beats by Dr. Dre, and we really, now being the richest rapper, and he hadn't put out an album in 14 years, so there's other ways for him to become well-known and make money. So that started a real trend where every DJ wanted to have a headphone, every rapper wanted to have a headphone, and people like LeBron, athletes, they felt like, boy, if I could be attached to a headphone, then I too could get build my brand, build notoriety. But I think that's been done. Okay, I don't know if that's as much of an influence, certainly not as much as when we first started it. And even today, I don't think it has as much influence as the tech influencer.
One of the things we keep talking about is certainly authenticity. And I think one thing that often happens with brands is that they're really trying to get engagement or impressions or ROI, and they fail to consider sort of partnering with people who really do share the same core values that their brand does. You mentioned quality over quantity, but a lot of the times, brands don't necessarily adhere to that standard. They're looking for the person who has 1 million followers rather than the person with 50,000 who maybe really is an authentic fan of the brand and has true sort of feelings about it. I think too, the difference between the celebrity and the influencer is that, a celebrity is someone that we assume is paid and sponsored to do their engagements around your brand, whereas an influencer, hopefully builds credibility. This is someone who chooses to talk about your brand, not someone who is paid to.
Your best opportunity is going to be somebody that has used your product. Okay, so you can chase down and try to create a brand relationship with people who haven't experienced your product, but your efficiency is probably going to be low. And there's a lot of brands that do it and spend a lot of money trying to talk to the consumer to invite them in. But in the end, when you make great products, and LG makes really great products, you're going to have your best opportunity to develop advocacy with the people that are using them. And frankly, to Noel's point, those are the people who are happy to talk about it. It's social currency for them. To be able to talk about a product, think about all of us. I mean, when you have a great dinner, you want to tell your friends and family about where it was. And it's the same thing with social.